Jeff Wright, President Obama wants Jack Lew to be his new Treasury Secretary. Should gold bugs like that? He seems like an easy money guy.
No, I would agree. Jack Lew has a background, specifically at the Office of Budget Management, where he showed, no inkling to restrain spending and weakening the dollar. So I think he'll be very supportive to gold investors if confirmed as, Secretary of the Treasury. A gentleman like this is, certainly out to, increase the scope of government, and that leads to higher deficits. Higher deficits lead to a weaker dollar, and that certainly makes gold go higher. So I think that would be very supportive for gold if Mr. Lew becomes Secretary of the Treasury in the next couple months.
But seriously, how much impact does the Treasury Secretary have? Because mostly when we talk about money supply, of course, we talk about Ben Bernanke. So will Jack Lew really figure into the matter?
Not directly. The Secretary of the Treasury is more of a peripheral player as they interact with Congress. And, the early reports on Jack Lew is his relationships with Congress are not very strong. He was not able to ever reach, much compromise with the congressional Republicans. So what we think this could lead to is a, further weakening of the bonds between the Obama administration and Congress, and really producing more gridlock. Gridlock is also, very stimulative towards gold prices. It doesn't help the dollar, and we could be in tune for another 4 years of, I wouldn't say fiscal cliffs, but you're going to have a lot of confrontations on budgetary matters, and confrontations lead to increased volatility within, the gold market. So from all fronts, I think this would be very supportive for gold for the next couple of years. But, to your point, he's more of a minor player when you come to the gold market. The real action, the real driver will still be at the Federal Reserve, because they directly control interest rates, and interest rates certainly have the biggest impact these days on the gold price.
Thanks a lot, Jeff.